Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To our right, you're looking at one of our one glass door refrigerator merchandiser unit. Okay, now brand on this unit, it's going to be our own company brand, Cooler Depot. Model for this unit is the LC328. Okay, so LC328 for this refrigerator. Now, before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and give you the overall measurements for this unit, starting with the exterior. And we'll go ahead and also measure the inside for you. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start off with the length. Length, you're looking at 23.5 inches. For the depth, front to back, you're looking at a total of 22.5 inches, 22.5. And the overall height for this refrigerator, you're looking at a total of 64.5 inches high, 64.5. Okay, now the unit does have casters on the bottom, so you can easily move it around. Now let's go ahead and open up the unit and show you the inside. On the inside, you'll be able to locate your fans for the cooling. You have two fans for this unit. Also on the right, we have our temperature control, your temperature adjuster. And on the very bottom, we have a switch here, which is going to be for the lighting on the inside. Okay, so there's going to be lighting on the top, on the inside. Also, you will be provided with these shelves. You have a total of 4 shelves for this unit. Now, let's go ahead and measure the inside. Front to back, you're looking at a total of 16.5 inches. Left to right, you're looking at a total of 21 inches. Overall height, you're looking at a total of 48.5 inches high, 48.5. Okay, so that's going to be the inside measurements for this refrigerator. Now, lastly, before we go, I want to go ahead and show you the back of this unit. And on the back, we'll be able to locate our plug at the very bottom, standard US plug. And on the top, we have a sticker with more information regarding this unit. For example, you can locate your certification over on the sticker, as well as model, voltage. All that information will be displayed on this sticker on the back of the unit. Okay, so that's going to be a little demonstration for this model LC328 refrigerator. If you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact model. Okay, if you have any other questions, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.